Hi, my name is Chad, one of the designers here at Sullivans, and I wanted to take a moment to point out some of our techniques for showing multiple products in a small space. This could be utilized in a retail store or even in your own home when you have a lot of products that you really want to create and curate into a customized display space in your home or store. If you'll notice behind me, we've done a technique of layering and multiplying products in a little 4-foot space here. We've got the clock brought out on a plant hook. We've layered and multiplied the pictures and the mirrors in front of each other. And layering is just not for retail spaces, but it really tells that combination story within your home where you're getting that texture and that layer of all your favorite things. So hopefully this helps in your displays, either in your retail store or your home, and I can't wait to see what you do with it.